Give it up for Vic J.
Hi, how is everyone? I can't believe, do you know what? I was asleep. I woke up at like 2 minutes to two. I was like, shit. Oh my God, not the big box. How are we,
Oh, it's gonna be big
everyone?
box. Oh, it's gonna be big box. You gotta do this
Oh,
in big box. This is like your
oh,
stream, darling.
oh,
You're the previous winner. You
darling.
got this.
Right, well, oh my God, thank you. I was going to do a different song, but going through everybody's streams, they're like, no, Vic, you need to do this one again. So we are doing the song about my poor pussycat again tonight. And I've even bought my little ears. Look, I'm sporting my little ear rolls today.
Adorable.
Hopefully, you lot can take this a little bit more seriously though this time because it was like quite upsetting last time for me. But yeah, I'm ready when I'm ready. Are we ready?
All right. Well, if you're ready, guys, give her some love, give her some faves. Go check out her stream. She is so awesome. I freaking adore this chick.
She's all right.
Yeah,
She's not bad.
the stream is yours. You're gonna perform. I'm gonna calculate the votes while you're streaming. While you're singing. Let's freaking go.
Let's go.
All right, darling. The stream is yours. Have fun with this.
Pussycat was scratching out on my back door. Scratched so long, poor pussy got so pussy, so pussy. Just a friendly little cat. My pussycat was sitting out on the front step. He sat so long, poor pussy got wet pussy. Sore, wet pussy. Just a friendly little cat. My pussycat was playing out on the back lawn. He played so long, poor pussy got hot pussy. Sore, wet, hot pussy. Did you not hear it, Mark? Just a friendly little cat. I don't think Mark can hear. My pussycat was rocking in the rocking chair. He rocked so long, he lost his hair. Bold pussy, sore, wet, hot. Must have been ginger in that sun, right? Bald pussy, just a friendly little cat. My neighbor and I out at the clothesline. I said to my neighbor, won't you look at mine? My pussy, my sore, wet, hot, no longer ginger, bald pussy, just a friendly little cat. My neighbor stole my kitty, but I did see. I said to my neighbor, set my pussy free, free pussy. Sore, wet, hot, bald, definitely no longer ginger, free pussy, just a friendly little cat. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that.
Let's freaking go. Winner of episode 5, guys. Winner of episode 5. Let's
Thank
freaking
you.
go.
It's always fun here. It's always fun here. And I will be here every other week, even if I'm just watching. It's well
Hey,
worth it.
I really appreciate you being a part of my show. You definitely won the last episode by far. Thank you so much for being here.
We all know I
You,
wasn't expecting that. We all know what happened with that as well. I was
oh
not
yeah,
expecting that.
you were Pooh Bearing it. We know about the Pooh Bear. We know about the Pooh Bear.